Hello people, follow me, let's cook garden egg sauce for two. So yeah, my garden egg properly washed, cherry, tomato, onion. I will add in slime of hot water. I will add in salt and I will cook it for 3 minutes. All my returnees, thank you, my old and my new. I really do appreciate. I see your like and comment. It is cook now for 3 minutes. I'll sieve it. I added in some olive oil. I will add in my baked meat that I bake in my oven. Check my channel out. You'll see how I baked it. Mixed tomato, mixed spices, onion, pepper, paprika, all and all. So I will add in the pre-cook the egg and all. I will mix properly and I would like to cook. All my returnees, I appreciate. If you are new, follow me for more amazing video. Check out my channel out for other videos. You might find helpful cooking video, recipe, family, lifestyle, baking video. I have them all in my channel. So I came to give it a quick step. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Lady P Varieties is the name. So it is cook. You can pair it with plantain or yam. Enjoy. Bye. See you, my